Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for July 26th, 2018. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see an odd and actually a record-breaking day on Wall Street, and I'll get to that record in just a moment. But another mixed close for U.S. equities. If we look at the Dow here, it was up 113 points. The S&P 500, however, was down 8.5. The Nasdaq was down 80. It had a lot to do with that record, and the Russell managing to gain 10 points. Bond market was slightly lower. That sent the yield on the 10-year note slightly higher. It is now at 2.982. Crude managed to gain about 30 cents or so, while gold pulled back almost 9 points. This due to strength in the U.S. dollar. A nice bounce back by the greenback compared to yesterday's losses. Now let's get to that record, and not a good one. The biggest loss in market value in the history of the U.S. stock markets. Facebook losing $41.24, or almost 19% after that earnings report yesterday. There's that gap. If this isn't a clear example of why you should always protect your positions, this is it right here. Perfect example. Anything can happen after earnings, and this is ugly. The only question is where do we go here? Well, a key level here is going to be around the 165 level, which is a low below all of this consolidation area here. If we clear this area, and this is, there's a lot of support in here. If we clear that 165 level, this has the potential to go much lower, but it's too early to tell. And let's see if there's follow through tomorrow. Mark today's lows, and if there's follow through and we start getting some rapid selling tomorrow, then we'll have a pretty good intention of where this is going. But you can see extremely high volume here, and the stock taking the biggest hit ever there. Now on the flip side, Amazon released earnings today, and they absolutely blew away earnings. They came in at $5.07 per share compared to an expected number of $2.49. So, I mean, they more than doubled it, and right now they're being rewarded. After hours, they are up at 3.5% the last time I checked, and so should be a good day tomorrow for Amazon. Now, the Nasdaq was down, again, about 80 points, most of which was due to Facebook and a few other techs that followed. And we'll have to see. Intel came out with earnings as well after market closing was slightly lower as well. So it'll be interesting, but earnings will be the main focus here for the next week or two. And we'll just have to see, wait and see how this all shakes out. Okay, but that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.